Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a fingerprint lock to WhatsApp. Open up WhatsApp and head over to the menu button at the top right of the screen and then hit Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. Now select Privacy. In Privacy, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Fingerprint Lock. Enable the option Unlock with Fingerprint. You will now need to scan your fingerprint to confirm it. You can now choose when to lock WhatsApp. Immediately will be every time the app gets closed. I'll now reopen WhatsApp to see if it worked. And yes, it requires my fingerprint to open now. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.